Hey, it's me again. In my last video, I showed off this IBM WheelWriter 30 Series 2 typewriter that my brother found at the dump that works. But it's super filthy and nasty. After the last video, I opened it up, I looked inside, it was disgusting. In fact, it was grosser than I could have imagined. But one of the worst things was that it had 3 AA batteries in it that had been there since the 1980s. If you've ever dealt with old batteries, you know what happens to them. They swell up, they explode, and they leak corrosive fluid everywhere. Thankfully, this corrosive fluid stuck right to the battery holder. Not thankfully, that means I needed to get a new battery holder. Thankfully, battery holders are really inexpensive on Amazon. Unthankfully, you can only buy them in packs of 3. So that means I have 2 other projects after this one, but I'm pretty excited. Here is my new AAA battery holder. Look at how shiny and nice that is. This is my nasty old one that I've got to pull out. Once I pull it out, I'm going to put the new one in. I'm going to see if it works. I'm going to see if that fixes my margin problems. Regardless of whether or not it does, I'm going to give this thing a complete cleaning. And it's going to be pretty thrilling and exciting for me, which is why I'm going to use the power of editing to make it look like it all happened in the span of a few minutes. So let's get inside of this IBM WheelWriter 30 Series 2 typewriter so we can start typing out our manifestos. Let's go! As far as soldering projects go, this one's pretty straightforward. I just need to clip out this old battery holder and see how bad the corrosion is on the wires itself, and then replace it with the new one. Oh, nice, dude. Yeah, that corrosion did not track very far, except for on the black wire where it looks like it's probably gonna have to be completely taken apart and possibly replaced. Man, I shouldn't have said this was gonna be easy. Why did I say that? What a dumb thing to say. Doesn't like that that much. Yeah. Oh, that's neat. Okay. Well, that's easy. Oof, why does this not want to go now? Okay. Maybe not. I mean, what's kind of neat about this is there's a lot of mechanical pieces and parts to this. All right. I got it out. That was a huge pain in the ass and I might have broke some things. Let's show this. But the corrosion went all the way back on the negative lead. Wait, is it positive? I never can remember in DC voltage. I'm gonna give it a quick little. Okay, well that's a good sign. The corrosion there is just surface level, or at least it appears to be. Yeah, this is kind of ugly. Oh, come on. Will it catch on fire? Let's find out together. Okay. Here we go. Storage cleared. No battery. Dude, let's put a piece of paper in this bad boy. Eve. And then I go like that. No, that wasn't it. That was not it. Oh. That's why. There we go. Oh, nope, something's wrong. Okay, we loaded the paper. Wow, what a colossal pain in the ass this was to take apart. Yeah, IBM does not want people to work, or at least they didn't back then. I don't know now. Do they not want people to work on their Watson supercomputers? But yeah, not a screw on this friggin' thing. It's all like plastic and metal clips. Tremendous pain in the ass. The cables are these lame ones that don't have ends, so they just pinch in, and I'm always worried I'm gonna destroy every time. There's a very good chance I did that on the keyboard, but you know, we'll figure that out. So yeah, pain in the ass. It's all cleaned up now though, and I'm gonna put it back together, and then I'm gonna type out my manifesto. So let's see how that goes. Well, quick little update here. I worked on this for quite a while, took it all apart, cleaned everything, lubricated everything, put it back together, and it still didn't work. Turns out, I'm pretty sure I need a new motor for the carriage return. It's not working at all. I found one online for 30 bucks on eBay, and I don't know if I want to bother with it. Let me know in the comments, should I spend the $30? Should I try to replace that motor? Oh, also, some of the keys don't work either. Yeah, it's, I feel like a failure right now. Anyway, shout it out in the comments. Should I continue with this, or should I just take it back to the dump from whence it came?